Cloud adoption exists on a constantly adjusting maturity curve. The move from on-premise deployments generates acceleration from initial cloud testing in a project-based phase to full reinvention with technologies like containers and serverless functions, shifting organizations into a new business gear. However, this also means that from a shared responsibility perspective, cloud security needs to operate at the speed of that acceleration. Holding down the center of this architectural shift are servers, the workhorse of the traditional enterprise. During cloud adoption, servers in an organization come to span multiple locations and formats, becoming cloud workloads like AWS EC2 instances, and introducing continuously evolving security requirements that need to be addressed. As leading IT research and advisory firm Gartner points out, servers often host the most critical data in the enterprise and have different functionality than client endpoints, which leads to two key security questions for the resulting hybrid cloud. 1. How can security that I implement cover that hybridized environment as cloud adoption looks for a common ground? And then 2. How can this tooling also ensure that cloud migration is both quick and secure? In the hybrid cloud environment, we need to unify security to meet common requirements that exist for both on-premise servers and cloud workloads. Controls like lateral movement detection and host-based intrusion prevention systems are boons for detecting and blocking unintended behavior at both the operating system and application level, especially as cloud adoption blurs patch version tracking and change cycles. Workloads provisioned to perform both hosted application and container-based duties need security to wear multiple hats, protecting not only the container application and platform, but also the network and traffic into the container, installed applications, and the host's own operating system. With these variable job functions comes requirements for various deployment methodologies, and especially when we don't know where a workload will be provisioned, security needs to exist at the moment of instantiation, auto-scaling alongside workload discovery. Additionally, we should be able to automate this protection as part of a build process or a deployment tool workflow. With Trend Micro's Cloud Workload Security Modernization Workshop, streamline security operations and management for EC2 instances using Cloud One Workload Security, an agent-driven security service. With a broad set of security capabilities, Cloud One Workload Security can reduce the number of tools needed to implement and manage effective cloud workload security, while also centralizing visibility of a hybrid on-premise and multi-cloud environment, leveraging deep integration with both AWS and other cloud service providers. In a controlled environment, participants will have a chance to build automated cloud-native security workflows using AWS services like Systems Manager, provisioning security on these EC2s from the moment of instantiation. They can then test these security controls, generating events that can be viewed AWS natively via the integration from Workload Security's unified dashboards into services like AWS Security Hub. This workshop is designed to be explored at your own pace, with minimal prerequisites and self-guided procedures to help you test the architecture as soon as possible. So, take advantage of this AWS and Trend Micro Modernization Workshop, as well as others like it, to enable and develop continuous cloud security that both moves and evolves at the speed of business.